3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
How resilient is the chemical market in general? For example, the automotive industry and the building products industry, exterior paint and coatings manufacturers, right? You know, if the economy slows and housing starts plummet and new car sales plummet, right? What does that mean for those companies? I would say, well, clearly they're much more exposed. If our company makes Band-Aids or our company makes, you know, something very basic, like soap, like laundry detergent, then we might be a little more resistant and our valley won't be as low. In the chemical space, because chemicals is so big, it's hard to say. We'll give a couple of examples, okay? In the water treatment space, people will always need clean water here in the United States. You know, factories will still run, manufacturing will still happen. Food manufacturers are going to continue to bake and brew and do whatever they do, right? Hospitals will continue to serve communities. So the need for water will always be there, and the need for people to treat that water will always be there. So that's a little more resistant. You look at something where you're a specialty chemical company who sells into the personal care market. Think shampoos, lotion, other hair care products, and things that go on you to make you look better, not inside you, because that's either a nutraceutical or a pharmaceutical, right? So things that go on you and personal care. Those people, depending on who those client bases are, who that customer bases are, they might suffer. For example, if I sell product to the top tier, most expensive brand of shampoo, they are going to suffer during bad times. That most expensive shampoo on the market, the demand for that will go down. But in general, people will still tend to use soap, and people will still tend to wash their hair. So what people will do is they'll flip from the more expensive shampoos to what I use, Walmart's brand or Target's brand or the house brand or the cheapest thing available at my local grocery store. That's what I do. People will flex their spend from the super expensive personal care products to the lesser expensive personal care products. So what that means for chemical distributors and chemical manufacturers in that personal care space is, hey, we got to have a diversified portfolio of customers to where we're selling to that super high class shampoo maker, but we're also selling shampoos that are designed for the more cost conscious consumer. Because if I'm making a surfactant, then my surfactant will go into any and all shampoos.